For today's video, gagawa ako ng cake. Mango cake. Yan po lahat ng ingredients. Mayroon akong egg white and egg yolk separated. May oil, may nuts, may water. Bali, ang water ko is 1/4 cup of water. And the oil is, yung oil fly is 1/4 cup of oil. And the water is 1 1/5 or 275 ml, and the 3 egg. Okay, may flour tayo. And start na natin reheat yung ating oven while umiinit yung ating oven. And yan, kailangan po yung may oil po yung ating hulmaan. Wala akong cup, paper cup. Wala. So, ito na lang po yung gagamitin ko kasi hindi po ako nakabili or hindi ako nakabili sa aking. And you can spread. Yan, gamit ang brush. Hanggang sa gilid-gilid po. And ganyan po. Ganyan po. Hanggang sa gilid-gilid po yung i-spread natin lahat. So, nabrush na po lahat. Start ko na tayo. Ilayan natin yung flour. Yung flour is mayroon na siyang mix. Flour po is may mix na siyang baking powder at saka yung yes. So, a little bit salt. Kaya, minsan na lahat dyan. Kaya ganyan ang kulay at saka yung flavoring na mango. And then, put na natin yung egg yolk. And then, put the oil. Mix together. And the water. Ayan. Hindi ako naglagay ng sugar kasi yung flour nilagay ko is nandiyan lahat yung flavor niya. Sugar, little bit salt, baking powder, at saka yes. And then, you can start. Set aside muna natin dito sa isang langgana. So, dyan muna. At gagawa tayo isang ilalagay natin yung egg white. Okay. And then i-apply natin. Dati, ang ginawa ko is yung chocolate and the dark chocolate. Dapat maayos po yung pag-mimix. Guys. dapat makuha natin tamang texture ng cake natin, gagawing cake. Kaya mag-ingat po sa ating pag-mix, hindi po basta